Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting, and today guys I am going to show guys in Infinix mobile guys build number setting, how to use build number setting and how to use developer option. Friends, both of setting we will talk about in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, in your Infinix mobile, open your phone setting. Sorry friends, and after on phone setting, open your phone system setting. Last option friends, click here phone system setting, and friends you can use developer option setting here. But friends, in my Infinix mobile I don't have developer option. So how to show developer option, how to own developer option in Infinix mobile. Friends, now open your phone, my phone setting, about phone setting. After guys about phone setting, scroll it, and friends tap here build number. So then tap here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more tap 7. You are now a developer. So friends, you can use build number setting. After 7 tap on build number, come back. Open your phone system setting again. Friends, you can check last option, developer option will show. So friends, click here and you can use developer option setting in your Infinix mobile. OME unlocking setting, running service setting, automatic system update setting, picture color mode friends you can on and you can use it. So like that friends, you can use Infinix mobile developer option setting, and friends there are many setting. As you can see, default USB setting is here. Many setting we have in developer option. So after 7 tap on build number, developer option will show, and friends if you click here, after turn on developer option, when you will click back button, developer option will remove from your device. Again you want to developer option setting, go to your my phone setting, 7 tap on build number, and you can on developer option again. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.